Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're now here, we've walked through the lobby, and that's kind of that area. We are going into here, and there's more of an area to just kind of work from if you want to. And then there's the mailroom area that's over there, so you can grab your mail. And then we do have a co-work room, so let's go to that co-work room. That's cool, can't wait for you to show that off. Fun area, wow, okay. This is really big. I love how big this is. I love how many chairs and tables there are on this. And of course, it's just a great area. You've got printer as well. And hey, you can do all this and just really relax, work from here. It's always better to work, with around somebody versus just being in your apartment. Sometimes it's just not as good. So get out and use something like this co-working area. You'd have a lot of fun. By the way, it's got some really cool kind of garage almost looking windows. These are super fun. And then there's some upstairs as well. So you've got some spaces upstairs, but then you can just kind of gather around here. Now let me get that upstairs really quick because I'm also seeing some booths and things like that. Let's take a look at those booths. The booths are pretty cool. Looks like you can really have fun with those booths. Yep, this is very amazing. Love it. So there's two booths here, and then there's some chairs here, and then there is also this area here too. Just more kind of relaxed because I don't really see plugs there. So really cool co-work area, really fun. I could see definitely having a great work experience during the day here. All right, so now let's take a look. I see the gym and the pool, so that's next on our list. Let's go visit those. If you have questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below.